Okay, now give it a big old 35-inch bear hug. Don't scratch the camera. It's the only thing I'm worried about.
Welcome back to Bronco Adventures.
We're here. I've got a bone to pick with some people here, all right? Welcome to the tire shop. We're doing tire rotation today. If you drive a Bronco, we'll come running. Probably. Anyway, you got a Bronco, you got a Jeep, you got whatever 4x4 vehicle, and you got this thing on the back. What is this?
Chilling.
It's here. Our factory one was still brand new. This is your spare tire. The more you know. Now, a lot of people rotate their tires and never put their spare tire on the road. It is a spare tire. So to be fair, if you ever broke down, you needed a tire, you always rely on your spare to be brand new. But here's my problem. We spent good money on these tires. And when they're wore out, I don't want one brand new dry rotted tire, because it's been in the sun all its life, to be in a pile down at the end of the shop.
With the rest.
With the rest. Like it is now. Our factory tires, we got 34,000 miles out of them.
Yeah.
And our spare is brand new.
Except for one.
It's there. We never used it. It never touched dirt. Maybe scrubbed it going up obstacles.
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter is we didn't utilize it, and that bothers me. So today, we're going to show you how to rotate your tires and put your spare tire on the road, on the dirt, on the rocks. Here again, use it. If you're not going to use it, why do you carry it? I don't know. It's strange. Okay, we got a diagram that we're going to put up, but we've done you a favor and we've just wrote on them with chalk because we got kids, children. Yeah. This is a tire shop now, all right? So take you on a tour. You got your spare tire. Where does it go? Well, it's really easy. We're going to throw our spare tire to passenger rear. Okay, check. Now, our passenger rear tire.
Where's it going?
Where's it going? PF Chang's. No, it's going to passenger front. All right? We're going to just put that up there. Now, where's our passenger front tire going?
Doctor.
Or
the DR, like the Bronco.
Bronco DR. Yeah, I need one of those. Ford, if you're listening, I'll send it.
I volunteer as tribute.
Yeah, basically. So it's going driver rear, all right? Okay, come on. Now, where's our driver front tire going?
Oh, look, it's spelled out for you.
SPIR. It's a spare. Put it off the road for a minute. It needs some rest.
It does need a break.
Let me show you why. We use these tires. Look at that. Chunked out. Needs a brake. Look at that. Sidewall. Heritage. It needs a brake. So it goes to spare.
Spa day.
Spa day. Hashtag spa day. Okay, now, where does our driver rear tire go?
Doof.
Doof. It goes to the doof.
It's like the early Bronco company.
Doof.
Yeah. Doof.
Okay, so just throw that on the driver's front. And it's literally that's simple to be able to utilize the life of this tire to where when it's ready to need new tires, you got 5 tires of life usage. Call me crazy.
Your call.
I'm loco, basically. I don't know. The fact of the matter is, I want to use this tire, and that way, it's used. Now, let's just change all these around. Rotate.
This is when I'm really glad we don't have 37s.
Well, we're going to have 37s at some point.
But not yet.
It is a nice day today. We've got all the warm. It's a good thing we rode on them or we'd be lost. Lost in paradise. We're just running round.
I gotta take the spare off.
We gotta take the spare off. It's pretty easy when you think about it and you look at this diagram.
Okay, this one's the DR.
It's that simple. Now just go take the spare tire off, Monica.
Alright, wouldn't be the first time, Derek.
Don't scratch the camera. You need a tool.
Yeah, I should probably do that. Oh, you know what? You mentioned it in a previous video. You don't use the impact.
Well, but we're gonna. Sometimes it's do as I say, not as I do.
Only on other people's Broncos?
Read in between the lines. Yes. Yeah. Okay, now give it a big old 35-inch bear hug. Don't scratch the camera. It's the only thing I'm worried about.
You're worried about me?
Well, not you, the camera. You're fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're damn fine.
Last last time I did this, I had to use a floor jack to get it back up, but I did get it down.
Well, get it down. I'll pick it back up.
Not moving.
Oh, see? You got it, ladies. You got it. You didn't even scratch it.
I didn't. Look at that.
Oh,
No,
it's
just
fine.
dust. You got it dirty. Over here. I'm so glad we put chalk on these. I'd be lost.
Lost in paradise. It's that simple. Rotate your spare tire onto the road, onto the rocks, onto the dirt. Get the life of it. You spent the money on it. I can understand the idea of a spare being a spare until needed, but man, it's the dollars.
Why would we have a brand new tire just sitting like we did already?
I do have a brand new tire just sitting, and it bothered me. So, now I'm looking for 4 more, so I can not use one. Doesn't make sense. We're just going to tighten all these on now. That's easy, Ugga dugga, just get it. Try it. Get it.
I roll my R's. I don't make gun sounds.
Okay. How do you do it? Oh, see, I like that. That's one of them, like, nice air impacts. Yeah. Money. Yeah.
Nice.
There you go. All right, we're working now. Don't forget your little horsey, your little Bronco, the little thing. The center cap has to follow the spare. Where did the spare go? I think it went up here, right? There it is. See, it's missing the horsey. These just have the little, squeeze it out of there, and then just, bam. Now you put your spare back on.
You put the spare back.
I'll do it. I'm gonna throw out something or another.
Don't break the camera.
I'm not.
You're so strong.
Not really. Look at that. See, now people know we rotate our spare, SPIR. Basically simple. You say your tire's too heavy. That's why you don't want to rotate them. No excuse. You got to rotate them, all right? You got these thigh things. Sun's really bright. So use them. You just take and you pick up. Look at that. And then it just slides right on. Always start your lug nuts by hand. Because although stripped is torqued, it's hard getting them back off for your next tire rotation. So just, give them a couple threads. Doesn't have to be much. We're gonna use the, gun. Wait, how did you do it? Yeah. And then we'll torque these down, torque it, right? Make sure they're tight. No rogue tires. NASCAR. There. Even Monica can do it. You just gotta grunt a little bit.
I could be struggling.
Come on. It's not that hard. Did you do it?
Did it.
Did it. See? It's that simple.
The kids.
For the kids. Do it for the children.
Ta-da!
No excuses.
And then we torque it down.
Torque it.
Now we just gotta torque them down.
Torque it.
We're ready to hit the road again.
How much do you torque your lug nuts? Foot-pounds. I do 120. Is that right? Is it wrong? I don't know. It's what works. Okay. You gotta torque it. Every one of them, I go around twice. Oh, see, that one's good. That's why we use the, hugga-dugga.
Ugga-dugga.
You gotta check them. Because if you don't, you never know. If you really want to be cool, you can even leave the chalk on your tires.
We're not doing that.
That's how people know you rotated your spare in. Good job.
All right, we're gonna torque these down and torque our beadlocks that never hit the road. And then we'll be ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching. For now, get off your couch, go create an adventure.
Do it.
We'll see you next
time.
time.
Do it now.
Bronco Adventures.